Good morning, Scots. Happy Friday. I'm Genevieve Eklund.
Welcome back to the Scots Weekly. I'm Lily Alvarez.
Remember to stop by to watch the Puff Show today and tomorrow starting at 7 p.m.
Doors open at 6:30 at the WA. Now let's go back with Ashira and Hannah.
because they have some more school announcements for today.
First up, need some extra help with homework or struggling in the class? Did you know there's after-school tutoring in the library? It runs every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m.
Check out the flyer for all the details or ask a teacher if you need more information. And remember, transportation is provided at 5:30 p.m. each day. Next up, Highlands Fall Play Puffs opens tonight at 7 p.m. in the WA. Tickets are general admission for $10 at the door and doors open at 6:30 p.m.
There will be a costume contest with prizes for the best dressed wizards and witches presenting their houses.
Mark your calendars. November 1st is Puffs Night, November 2nd is Smarts Night, November 8th is Snakes Night, and November 9th is Braves Night. For more info, see Mr. Thompson in room 8C.
That's right, there are 4 chances to catch the show. Tonight, tomorrow, next week on November 8th, and November 9th. Don't miss it.
Finally, are you ready to sing your heart out in front of everyone here at school? Highlands FFA is hosting a lip sync event on November 14th at 6 p.m. in the WA. Scan the QR code to sign up. Spots are filling up fast.
It's time for a quick break.
Check out this music video.
Hopefully, it inspires you to sign up for the lip sync event.
She did ballet, what more can I say? He wanted her, she'd never tell. Secretly she wanted him as well. And all of the friends stuck up their nose, and they had a problem with his baggy clothes. He was a skater boy, she said see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. She had a pretty face, but her head was up in space. She needed to come back down to earth.
Welcome back, Scots.
The second annual music gala is happening Thursday, November 7th at 5:30 p.m. Originally postponed from September, the event is back and ready to deliver an amazing evening of dinner, live music, and entertainment by local alumni musicians. This is going to be an unforgettable music experience, so get your tickets now.
Now let's jump into sports.
Welcome to Sports, I'm Ja.
Hey Scots, I'm Raquel.
Let's jump into some sports updates.
The football team wraps up their regular season this week with a game against Ridgeville.
They're aiming to finish strong and boost their chances of hosting a first-round playoff game in the potential Division II playoffs.
This week's game is at Ridgeville. Go Scots!
Winter sports are kicking off here at Highland, including basketball, soccer, and wrestling.
Each team has started regular practices this week to get ready for the 2024 to 2025 winter season.
Remember, Scots, if you're interested in joining a team here at Highland, make sure to stop by the athletics office at any time.
That's all for sports today.
Thank you, guys.
Let's go with Roxana and Gabby.
Hey Scots, I'm Roxana.
And I'm not Gabby, I'm Raquel.
This week's question is,
What's your favorite horror movie?
can I hear me?
Ja'Cory.
What's your favorite horror movie?
Scream.
That's a good one.
Today I'm here with
Tino.
What's your favorite horror movie?
Freddy Krueger.
Okay, I'm here with.
Alyssa Gonzalez.
What's your favorite horror movie?
My favorite horror movie is Coraline. It's not really horror, but like I like it.
Today I'm here with.
Donovan Sanchez.
What's your favorite horror movie?
Probably Sinister 3.
Okay, I'm here with.
Julian.
What's your favorite horror movie?
I would have to say Halloween.
Today I'm here with.
Gracie.
What's your favorite horror movie?
I like the Conjuring movies.
I'm here with.
I am Sandra Sanchez.
What's your favorite horror movie?
So my favorite horror movie would have to be Scream.
Scream's a good choice.
Today I'm here with.
Simon.
What's your favorite horror movie?
Halloween.
That's a good one.
I'm here with.
Jesus.
What's your favorite horror movie?
I have to say Scream, the first one.
Today I'm here with.
Rob.
What's your favorite Halloween movie?
Halloween. The original one, the first one.
Exciting news, Highland High. The Connection Project is coming to our school soon, and we want you to be a part of it. Don't miss this unique opportunity to make a difference for yourself and Highland's future. Just scan the QR code to sign up today. Be part of something special. Thank you, and have a fantastic day. That's it for today.
And thank you for watching.
And always remember to
Plaid up.